This morning, autonomous AI capabilities are scaling precisely as global supply chains and enterprise backends face a wave of high-severity threats. Today's intelligence briefing tracks Z.AI's new cybersecurity model, native Google Drive integration in ChatGPT, U.S. intervention in Apple's hardware procurement, and active exploits against Commerzbank and SAP. As tools become more autonomous, they are exposing structural vulnerabilities in the systems that software engineers and enterprise leaders rely on. Z.AI has released GLM-5.3, a 743 billion parameter model designed to transition from standard code generation to autonomous security auditing. During internal testing, the model independently identified a zero-day vulnerability in the Cursor code editor, which was reported under private disclosure protocols. This matrix compares vulnerability detection scores across leading models. GLM 5.3 achieved 84.5% on the CyberGem benchmark, placing it ahead of Western proprietary models like GPT 5.6 Sol. GLM 5.3's performance suggests that frontier models can now function as active vulnerability auditors for continuous integration security pipelines. To reduce workplace friction, OpenAI has rolled out native bidirectional integration with Google Drive. Plus and enterprise users can now edit live docs and sheets directly inside the ChatGPT interface. Separately, Google is allowing Gemini and Flow users to disable visible sparkle watermarks to provide a cleaner aesthetic for professional creative workflows. While the visible badges can be removed, transparency is maintained through invisible synth ID pixel manipulation and cryptographically signed C2PA metadata embedded in the file headers. These updates prioritize cryptographic metadata integrity, allowing LLMs to function as more secure, standalone cloud workspaces. Geopolitical friction is currently reshaping hardware procurement. U.S. Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick has explicitly warned Apple against using memory chips from Chinese manufacturers, like YMTC or CXMT. This table details global memory producers. Micron, Samsung, and SK Hynix are fully cleared for U.S. corporate use, holding the majority of DRAM market share. Conversely, Chinese entities YMTC and CXMT remain on the U.S. entity list, facing strict export controls. Mandating that Apple avoids these lower-cost Chinese components will likely lead to higher procurement expenses and cost inflation for upcoming consumer electronics. Two high-impact incidents are highlighting the risks of third-party vendor dependencies. German and Brazilian police recently dismantled a €30 million fraud ring that exploited a flaw introduced during a vendor update at a Commerzbank service provider. Simultaneously, threat actors are actively exploiting a remote code execution flaw in the SAP Commerce Cloud Data Hub extension. This vulnerability carries a maximum CVSS 10.0 severity rating because it allows attackers to execute arbitrary code without any credentials. The unauthenticated nature of these attacks indicates that perimeter defenses fail without zero-trust auditing of every third-party integration in the supply chain.